Today we are going to Russia, which is 5,000 kilometers away from where I am right now, and this is gonna be my first vlog. So just to give some introduction, my name is Sakshi Mahajan and I am MBBS student in Mali State University. So today I am gonna shoot my journey starting from Silvassa until I reach my university, which is in Yoshkorola. So it is gonna be very exciting and I'm very happy to have you here.
So me being me, I started packing at the very last moment, thinking कि हो ही जाएगा, क्या ही होता है पैकिंग में, सामान ही तो डालना है बैग में. और मुझे ऑलरेडी बहुत लेट हो रहा था. मेरे मम्मी पापा बोल रहे थे सब तो लास्ट मोमेंट करना होता है, पहले करके रखने नहीं होता है सब. एंड आई वॉज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, इतने कम टाइम में इतनी पैकिंग कैसे होगी. उसमें आई थॉट ठीक है जल्दी हो जाएगी चीज़ें, उसमें एक डिज़ास्टर हो गया. आलू भुजिया मैंने पहले ही खाना स्टार्ट कर दिया और जिप लॉक बैग बंद नहीं की. इसकी वजह से मेरी मम्मी से बहुत डांट खाई इस दिन. बट लेट्स बी रियल, पैकिंग इज़ नॉट ईजी, especially for MBBS students, because we are not packing clothes, we are packing our entire home, our routine, our comfort, and somehow fitting all of that into 23 kg bags. In a way, those bags don't just carry our things, they carry a piece of our life.
And मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये piece of life मेरा piece of life खराब कर देगा. I didn't know how people are there in the outside world. I didn't know how will I manage food. I didn't know how will I live by myself, whom to trust, whom to not. It was not at all easy.
तो अभी हम वापस स्टेशन आ चुके हैं एंड यहाँ से हमारी ट्रेन है समथिंग 7 को आई गेस. हेलो, कैसा लग रहा है मैं रशिया जा रही हूँ तो? आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू.
And you know what? My mom is just so inspiring. She's never like कि कहाँ जा रही है बेटा, इतना दूर क्यों जाना है, पढ़ने मत जा बेटा. Like she didn't even cry. She's like go achieve your goals, achieve your dreams. And यही सब बातें कर रहे थे मम्मा और मैं बैठ के. We were waiting for the train. हम वापी से बोरिवली जा रहे थे, which would almost take 2 to 3 hours. हमने डिनर विनर किया ट्रेन में, थाली वगैरह.
Yours, my brother, doing all the hard work.
फोनचं स्टोरेज बोलून जाईल. स्टेशनवर किती सोय करून टाकली ना, नाही तर पहिले किती नसतं.
So we reached Borivali and this was the moment when I was thinking कि सच में जाना चाहिए क्या, फैमिली से इतना दूर, कंफर्ट जोन से दूर, घर का खाना नहीं मिलेगा, सब खुद से हैंडल करना पड़ेगा. शुड आई रियली? बट देन आई रिमेंबर्ड मेरी मम्मी कहती है कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. एंड दिस मोटिवेटेड मी कि या इट्स ट्रू, I will have to give something in order to get my career, the desired future that I want. And I get it. Parents के लिए भी easy नहीं होता है to let their children go far away from them. It's hard. Goodbyes are so hard. But just always remember the motive. If you think it will all be worth it at the end, you can face everything with a smile. Smile से याद आया, check-in में तो मेरी पूरी smile ही उड़ गई थी. Because I packed lot of unbranded food stuff and lot of electronic items, trimmers, printers in the cabin bag, and because of that I had to wait for almost 2 hours at the check-in. 2 घंटे. Guys, start packing early, do proper mindful packing. At least 4-5 दिन निकलने से पहले पैकिंग हो जानी चाहिए. I had to learn it the hard way. Thanks for watching my car. And finally comes the most interesting part of the journey. That is the takeoff. And जैसे जैसे हम ये उड़न खटोले के पास जा रहे थे, मेरी नर्वसनेस और एक्साइटमेंट एक साथ बढ़ रही थी. बिकॉज मेरे ईयर में उस टाइम पे इशू था, मेरे कान में सब बबल फॉर्मेशन हो गए थे. मुझे डॉक्टर ने ट्रैवल करने से भी मना किया था. फ्लाइट में ट्रैवल करना तो दूर की बात, मुझे ट्रैवलिंग ही मना किया था.
एंड मुझे इतना पेन हो रहा था कान में. आई टुक च्यूइंग गम और दिस पेन किलर्स एंड ऑल विथ मी, बट आई वॉज स्टिल वेरी नर्वस. एंड बाय द वे मेरी टिकट थी इजिप्ट एयरलाइंस की, एंड द मील एंड ऑल वॉज इंक्लूडेड विद इट. एंड बाकी सब सर्विसेज भी ओके थे, बट दे डिडंट क्लीन द विंडो, सो आई कुडंट टेक एस्थेटिक पिक्चर्स. लाइक व्हाट, स्टोरी डालनी थी मुझे. बट एनीवेज, रेस्ट ऑफ इट वॉज गुड. And finally we landed in Cairo. I was feeling fresh and tired at the same time because I had a good sleep and I was also tired from all the traveling. And let's be real, sleeping in flights and trains is so uncomfortable. So now I was excited to explore the airport but tired at the same time. And during this time we had very tight checking because of maybe the ongoing wars. It felt like most of the layover checking ही हो रही थी. Like they were literally saying belt उतारो, जूते उतारो, कड़ा उतारो, बैग में क्या है, पर्स में क्या है, क्यों चाहिए. Like sir chill, मेरी शक्ल देख के do I look harmful to you? But anyways, I loved the airport. It wasn't giving any Egyptian vibes. I don't know. I expected कम से कम 2-3 pyramids तो होने चाहिए थे. मेरी एनर्जी ऑलरेडी पूरी ख़त्म हो चुकी थी and we were just halfway there. I had some food and then watched Young Sheldon. By the way, I love Big Bang Theory and Young Sheldon. After that, I just slept off the whole flight. And I realized I mostly sleep during traveling. Guess I'm not that interesting after all. At this point, I was missing my family so much. And I was thinking how much they must be missing me. We finally landed in Moscow airport. This was my first time in Moscow airport because other times I booked tickets from Kazan. I was so tired, sleepy and barely alive. From Moscow airport I had to reach to Moscow bus stand, which was way far than I expected. It's funny how one second we are preparing for NEET and next second you find yourself in the roads of Moscow having no clue how you are going to survive here without a family and comfort of home. Speaking of home, my home in Russia, that is Yoshkar-Ola, was still freaking 800 kilometers away. And I took bus from Moscow to Yoshkar-Ola, which took 12 hours. Bhai, traveling hai problems, khatam hi nahi ho rahe. It was night travel and luckily I got the last seat, so I slept all the night. And finally वो घड़ी आई गई जिस घड़ी का हम सबको इंतज़ार था. I reached Yoshkar-Ola bus stand and अभी भी जर्नी ख़त्म नहीं हुई थी. I still had to take cab to reach my hostel. This 3 days journey was filled with ups and downs. इतनी बड़ी journey and इतना छोटा vlog cause I was mostly sleeping all the time. There is no other way you can survive all this. And if you can survive this, you can literally survive anything. On this good note, I'll sign off. Bye bye.